Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in our last session before our half-yearly exams, we have done the practical and the theoretical portion of chapter number 6, that is personalizing Windows 7. So now I'm going to start with the next window. Sorry, I'm not going to start with the back exercise of chapter number 6, that is personalizing Windows 7. Okay, so let's begin with it. So first of all, the subject is computer. The topic is chapter number 6, personalizing Windows 7. Okay, so now first of all from the back exercise we will do the self evaluation. First of all we will begin with the self evaluation. Okay, so after reading the chapter I know these points. So after doing after reading all this chapter we have came to know some points about the chapter. So the first is, I know that the background image that appears on our desktop is called wallpaper. Okay, so वो क्या कह रहे हैं, जो हमारे कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन पे जो बैकग्राउंड आता है, अगर स्क्रीन पे जो इमेज आती है, व्हाट इज़ दैट कॉल्ड? दैट इज़ नोन एज background. So that is known as wallpaper. So the background image that we see on the screen of our desktop or the laptop, that is known as wallpaper. Okay, so we agree or disagree? We agree with it. Moving next to the second one, I know that by changing the background we can make desktop more beautiful. ओके, तो बैकग्राउंड को चेंज करके वी कैन मेक द डेस्कटॉप मोर ब्यूटीफुल. ओके ओके, यू कैन चेंज. ओके, तो वही जो एक उनका डिफ़ॉल्ट उनकी पिक्चर्स होती है विंडो की, यू कैन इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट यू कैन अप्लाई योर ओन पिक्चर और सम अदर पिक्चर दैट यू लाइक. So you can apply a very beautiful background on your desktop. Okay, so this the statement was, I know that by changing the background we can make डेस्कटॉप मोर ब्यूटीफुल. तो डेस्कटॉप का जो बैकग्राउंड चेंज करके हम डेस्कटॉप को और भी सुंदर बना सकते हैं. सो डू यू एग्री विद दिस? येस, वी डेफिनेटली एग्री विद दिस. चलो, मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द थर्ड वन. I know that a desktop theme is used to change the color scheme, font size and effect of the desktop and other items present on it. Okay, so देखिए, by changing the desktop theme, अगर हम डेस्कटॉप का थीम चेंज करके हम उसका वी कैन चेंज द कलर स्क्रीम. ओके, वी कैन चेंज द कलर स्कीम. तो जो जनरली द डेस्कटॉप आर इन ब्लू और द ग्रे, और यू कैन चेंज इज अप टू योर कलर. तो आप उसको अपने अकॉर्डिंगली उसका कलर भी चेंज कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग द डेस्कटॉप थीम. यू कैन चेंज इट्स कलर. ओके, यू कैन चेंज द फॉन्ट साइज एज वेल. थर्ड इज एंड इफेक्ट्स ऑन द डेस्कटॉप. सो यू कैन चेंज द इफेक्ट्स लाइक you want that your cursor should मतलब किसी और तरह से नज़र आए. So all these changes you can make on your desktop by using the desktop theme, or you can change the icons as well. Okay, by changing the lookout of your desktop. The next is, I know that a screensaver is an image that pop-ups on the computer when it is idle for a certain time. Okay, तो कहते हैं स्क्रीन सेवर क्या होता है. सो जब when we left our computer for a certain period of time untouched, तब जब अपने कंप्यूटर को थोड़ी देर के लिए अनटच छोड़ देते हो, okay, you are not touching the cursor or you are not touching any part of the computer. So at that time a screen that starts appearing on your desktop or the desktop or the laptop, that is known as screensaver. Okay, अगर आप if you have already applied the screensaver theme on your desktop, so that will start appearing ओके आफ्टर अ टाइम. जब जो भी आपने स्क्रीन सेवर लगाया वो आपका शो लगेगा, लेकिन जिस टाइम के लिए आपने सोचा, सपोज यू हैव अप्लाइड अ थीम लाइक इफ इन आर मोबाइल. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपन्स, so when we don't touch our mobile phones for a time, so what happens, the screen gets off automatically. Similarly in the desktop, when you have switched on your desktop and you are not switching, you are not touching it, and it is just idle means कुछ भी काम उसके ऊपर आप नहीं कर रहे हो. So in that case what will appear, a screen will start appearing on your desktop, that is known as screensaver. Sometimes you have applied some screensaver, कोई आपने picture apply किया as a screensaver, that will start appearing. Or sometimes what happens, that screen will become blank, पूरी ब्लैक बन जाएगी. ओके, स्क्रीन विल बी टोटली ब्लैक. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ स्क्रीन सेवर. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्टेटमेंट. I know that a screensaver is an image that pops up on this computer when it is idle for a certain time. जब हम कंप्यूटर को थोड़ी देर के लिए ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हैं, खाली छोड़ देते हैं, तो एक स्क्रीन पॉपअप होती है, that screen is known as screensaver. So is it true? Yes, that is definitely true. चलिए, moving next. I know that a gadget is a small program such as a clock or the calculator that performs a specific function. Okay, तो कहते हैं gadget क्या is a small program such as a clock or a calculator that performs a specific function, जो कुछ एक छोटा सा specific function perform करता है. Okay, yes, like if you apply the gadget clock, so the clock will show the time on your desktop. Similarly, if you have applied the gadget that is calculator, so it will calculate, it will do the calculation. Similarly, all the gadgets, they have their certain functions for what they are being used. Okay, chaliye. Now moving next to the exercise. So now we're starting with the exercise. So first of all, tick the correct answer from the exercise or the back exercise. We will try to tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Okay, so the first is the background image that appears on your desktop. Okay, so एक background image जो आपके desktop की background पे नजर आती है, what is that called? That is known as wallpaper. So the background image that appears on your desktop, that is known as wallpaper. So you can change the wallpaper according to your like dislike. So what even you can apply your own picture as a wallpaper of your desktop. Okay, so the background image that appears on your desktop is known as wallpaper. Okay, so options are poster, wallpaper or painting. So that is known as wallpaper. So wallpaper is similar as that we apply the wallpaper on the mobile phones. तो आप मोबाइल के ऊपर अपनी फोटो लगाते हो, that is known as wallpaper. The background image that appears on your desktop is known as wallpaper. That is option number B. That is wallpaper. Moving next to the second one. An image that pops up on the screen when it is idle for some time is. एक इमेज जो कि आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर आपको नज़र आ रही है, एंड दैट विल रिमेन आइडल फॉर सम टाइम, जो कुछ देर के लिए एकदम आइडल, एकदम खाली रहेगी. ओके, सो व्हाट वी कॉल दैट इमेज. सो व्हेन वी लेफ्ट आवर डेस्कटॉप और द लैपटॉप आइडल फॉर सम टाइम, कुछ देर के लिए छोड़ देंगे, दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन अर्लियर. सो आवर स्क्रीन विल अपीयर ब्लैंक. ओके, दैट विल बी ब्लैंक, और आइदर इमेज विल कम दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी applied it. आपने ऑलरेडी प्री अप्लाई की हुई है, एंड वेन एवर योर स्क्रीन इज लेफ्ट अनटच्ड फॉर अ सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, सो दैट screen will appear and that image will appear on your screen, and that is known as screen saver. that is known as screen saver. So the answer for the second one is option number C, that is screen saver. Moving next to the third one. The third is background picture can be positioned in dash ways. So जो background picture है वो कई ways में position की जा सकती है. How many ways? 4, 5 or 6. So basically the background picture can be positioned in 5 ways. Okay, तो आपको अपना जो background wallpaper जो आपने लगाया है, you can position it into the 5 different ways. The first is fill, second is fit, third is stretch, fourth is tile, and the fifth is center. So these are the 5 different ways in which you can apply that background image. Either you can fill it, you can fit it, you can center it, you can tile it, or you can stretch it. So these are the 5 different ways in which way you can apply the background image on your desktop. So the background picture can be positioned in dash ways into 5 different ways. That is option number B. That is 5. Moving next to the fourth one. Dash is not a part of default gadget. Okay, clock, CPU meter or game. Okay, so this is not a part of a default gadget. So ये gadgets के okay, clock, CPU meter या game, इन तीनों में से कौन सी चीज़ है जो कि default gadgets के parts नहीं है? So that is game. So game is not a part of a default gadget. It is actually installed. तो गेम है जो इंस्टॉल की जाती है. इट इज़ नॉट प्री या बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट ऑलरेडी आपके कंप्यूटर में नहीं होती है. सो यू हैव टू, इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव गेट एनी गेम और इफ़ यू वांट टू प्ले एनी गेम इन योर कंप्यूटर, ओके, और द डेस्कटॉप, you first of all you have to download it in your desktop. So that is not a part of a game part of default gadgets. Clock, CPU meter or game. The option is, so the answer is option number C, that is game. So game is not the part of a default gadget. That is option number C. That is. So these are the answers from the MCQs. The first is option number B, wallpaper. Second, C, screensaver. Third, B, again 5, and the fourth is C, game. Done? Check. Moving next to the B one, that is true false. Now we move to the B part of the back exercise, that is true false. Now we are moving to the true false. Write T for true and false, F for false statement. So we have to tell whether the statement given is true or false. So the first is, you cannot change the background of your desktop. आप अपने डेस्कटॉप का बैकग्राउंड चेंज नहीं कर सकते. So is it true? No, this is not true. We can, okay, so we can apply any image as the background of our desktop. But the statement says you cannot change the background of the desktop, so that is completely false, because we can definitely and very easily we can change the background of the desktop. So the first statement is false. First statement is false. So we can definitely change the background of our desktop. Okay. Moving next to the second one. The tile option displays the image in the center of the desktop. जो टाइल ऑप्शन है बेटा, so these are the different tiles as I have told you earlier: stretch, tile, center, fit, fill. These are the certain options that is used for applying the desktop, the wallpaper on the desktop. So here we're talking about the tile. So वो क्या कहे, tile option is used. So whenever you want to apply the image or the wallpaper in the middle of your desktop, so you will use the tile option. So is it true? No. Because if you want to get the image displayed on the middle of your desktop, then you have to click on the center option. Okay, then you need to click on the center option. But what does tile option do? So the tile option that makes the similar copies of the image that you want to apply as your wallpaper and fill up the whole screen. तो वो छोटे छोटे suppose आपने अपनी फ़ोटो ली है, तो वो आपकी जो फ़ोटो है उसके ही उसी फ़ोटो को रिपीट करके टाइल्स की तरह, जैसे कि हम टाइल्स फ्लोर पे टाइल्स लगाते हैं सेम, सो दैट विल डिस्प्ले द पिक्चर ऑफ यू एज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ टाइल ऑन द स्क्रीन. जो काफ़ी सारी इमेजेस आपकी पूरी स्क्रीन को फिल कर देगा. सो दैट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ tile option. Okay, so but here they are saying the tile option displays the image in the center of the desktop. So is it true? No, because for getting the image displayed in the center of the desktop, you will use the center option, not the tile option. So this is false. The second one is false. Moving next to the third one. The third is desktop theme is used to change the color scheme and the font size. Suppose you want to change the color scheme and the font size of your desktop, so you will choose the desktop theme option. So is it true? Yes, we use the desktop theme. Okay, we use the desktop theme for changing the color scheme, for changing the font, for changing the effects. Okay, so all these things we can make the changes by using by selecting the color desktop theme on your on your computer. Okay, so desktop theme is used to change the color scheme and the font size. This is true. So the answer for the third true false is true. TRUE, true. Moving next to the fourth one. Screensaver is an image that pops up when the computer is idle for some time. तो जब आपका कंप्यूटर कुछ देर के लिए खाली छोड़ा जाता है, so there is a screen that appears, that pop-ups on your computer screen or the desktop screen. So that is known as screensaver. So we call it as a screensaver. So is it true? Yes, this is definitely true. Because when we left our computer idle for some time, the screen that appears, that start appearing, that is known as screensaver. So the statement is screensaver is an image that pop-ups when the computer is idle for some time. That is true. That is true. Moving next to the fifth one. The screensaver is removed when you sit in the front of the computer. So they are saying जैसे ही आप as you sit in the front of your computer, the screensaver will get removed. Only sit. They are not saying that when you touch the computer. So they are saying that जैसे ही आप अपने कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठोगे, your screensaver will be removed. So is it true? No. If you want to remove the screensaver, you have to use your computer. You have to touch the computer keypad or any part of the computer. Okay, you have to use the computer. तो आपको cursor को, you have to move the cursor. If you want to that your screensaver should be removed, for that you have to touch the cursor of your desktop or the laptop. So the statement is the screensaver is removed when you sit in the front of the computer. So is it true? No, this is not true. This is false. Moving next to the sixth one. A gadget is used to change the color of the desktop. Suppose you want to change the color of your desktop, so you can use the gadget option. No. So gadget is used only for applying some default gadgets on your screen of the computer, whereas for changing the color scheme, we use the desktop theme option. So this is true? No. This is false. A gadget is used to change the color scheme of the desktop. That is also false. So these are the answers for the true false. Okay, chalo. So with this, I'm just ending the today's session here only class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.